Which paintless car dent repair kit is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, VEVOR 117 PCS Car Dent Puller Kit. First up, we have the VEVOR 117 PCS Car Dent Puller Kit priced at $55.90. What caught my attention is its comprehensive 117-piece set, which is perfect for tackling a variety of dents. If you want a kit that can effectively handle everything from door dings to hail damage, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The kit includes a golden dent lifter that's adjustable for different dent sizes, and a 2-in-1 slide hammer that can be used for both short and long pulls. That means you can customize the approach based on the depth of the dent. Plus, with 50 durable tabs of various sizes, you can tackle a range of dents without worry. It's no surprise that this kit has a solid 4-star rating from over 1,700 reviews, and more than 700 have been sold just this month. Now, some people complained about the learning curve when using it. Here's the thing though, with video tutorials and a detailed manual included, it's a great tool for both beginners and seasoned DIYers. Just take a little time to familiarize yourself with the process. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a versatile kit that can handle various dent sizes. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler, more compact option. For the price, it offers tremendous value for money. Product number 2, VEVOR 89 PCS Dent Puller Kit. Next up is another VEVOR product, the 89 PCS Dent Puller Kit, priced at $109.90. This kit caught my eye due to its extensive range of tools. If you want a comprehensive solution for car dents without damaging your paint, this is worth a serious look. The 10 different sized rods let you tackle dents of varying depths, while the high-quality glue sticks ensure a strong hold. The quick setup means you can learn to use it in no time, saving you from costly repair shop visits. Plus, it boasts a solid 4-star rating with over 1,700 reviews and 200+ sold in the past month. Now, some users mentioned it felt a bit heavy at 13 pounds. Here's the thing, the weight actually adds to its sturdiness, providing a solid feel while in use. You get a professional-grade kit that's designed to last. This is perfect for you if you're serious about DIY repairs and want a complete set. Skip this one if you're just looking for casual, lightweight tools. It's an investment, but the quality justifies the price. Product number 3, GLISTON 45 PCS Paintless Dent Repair Toolkit. Now let's talk about the GLISTON 45 PCS Paintless Dent Repair Toolkit priced at $36.99. Honestly, I was surprised at how much you get for such a low price. If you're after a budget-friendly option that still delivers results, this is worth a serious look. The upgraded design allows for better height and width adjustments, ensuring you can tackle both small and larger dents effectively. With a 4.1-star rating from around 8,700 reviews, it's clearly a popular choice, especially with over 300 sold this month. However, some users reported that the tabs could break if not used carefully. Here's the thing though, if you handle them gently and follow the instructions, they should perform well. Just keep in mind that this is more of a beginner's kit. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget but want decent quality. Skip this one if you're looking for heavy-duty tools. It's a great starter kit that won't break the bank. Product number 4, VEVOR 60 PCS Paintless Dent Removal Kit. Next, we have the VEVOR 60 PCS Paintless Dent Removal Kit at just $28.12. I mean, come on, that's a steal. If you're looking for an affordable entry point into dent repair, this is worth a serious look. This kit is packed with essentials, including a dent lifter, bridge puller, and multiple pull tabs that handle tiny to medium-sized dents. The adjustable bridge puller ensures even pressure, which is key when fixing dents without damaging your paint. The fact that it has a 4-star rating with over 1,700 reviews shows it's effective, especially for the price. Now, some customers did mention that the glue gun could be a bit underpowered. Here's the thing, you can easily pick up a more powerful glue gun separately if you find it lacking. For the price point, it's still a great value. This is perfect for you if you need a budget-friendly option that covers all the basics. Skip this one if you want advanced tools or a more extensive kit. You really can't go wrong here. Product number 5. Super PDR 148 PCS Dent Puller Kit. Finally, we have the Super PDR Paintless Dent Repair Kit, priced at $87.96. This one really stands out with its claim to remove 99% of car dents in just 30 minutes. If you want a comprehensive kit that covers all bases, this is worth a serious look. With 148 pieces, this kit is perfect for both small and large dents. The tools are designed to be intuitive, making it easy for anyone to use. The dent lifter can handle a range from 0.2 to 5.2 dents, which is impressive. Plus, the rubber bottoms on the pullers ensure your paint stays intact. It has a solid 4-star rating with nearly 500 reviews, so it seems to deliver on its promises. However, some users felt it was a bit overwhelming due to the number of tools included. Here's the thing, if you take the time to familiarize yourself with the kit, the variety becomes an asset rather than a burden. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a complete professional-grade kit. Skip this one if you want something more straightforward. For the price, it's a fantastic investment for serious DIYers. So to wrap it up, we've got the VEVOR 117 PCS as a versatile starter, the VEVOR 89 PCS for serious DIYers, the GLISTON 45 PCS for budget-conscious buyers, the VEVOR 60 PCS for an affordable entry point, and the Super PDR 148 PCS as the comprehensive solution. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that fits your needs best.